Yeah, so from an outside view, I definitely understand how someone might think those sounds are quite alarming. But, it all started on a sunny afternoon. I was working outside on my wife's car, and suddenly cops show up at my house.
Oh, man. Hey. Your favorite thing that, Rambo!
So I invited them in to show them the culprit.
I'll bring out the screamer to you. Stay in there.
Yep, it's my 40-year-old parrot, Rambo. I got him when I was just a little kid, and at the time, Rambo was living in a cage. So I taught him to say, "Help, let me out," because, of course, that was just hilarious at the time.
Rambo! Meet the boys in green.
Oh my gosh, you're wearing the same color.
Rambo. Yellow Nathan. Rambo. Say hello. Rambo. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
So yeah. That's him. All right. Thank you. No problem. No worries.
Yeah, so I promptly introduced the officers to Rambo, and we all shared a good laugh. Rambo's now quite the local star after his screams went viral. We figured it was a great idea to introduce him around the neighborhood, especially to our neighbor who had called the police after she thought she had heard a woman screaming. Yeah, we all shared a great laugh after that.